A very good morning to all of you. Happy Teachers' Day. 5th September, on which we celebrate Teachers' Day. All the students, they show their respect, their love, their gratitude towards their teacher. Being a teacher, I feel blessed. I get so much love, respect from my students. And I think this is the day teacher and students, they forget the difference between themselves, and it helps us to be more close to each other. Being a teacher, I feel that it helps the students and the teachers both to strengthen the bonding between themselves. So let's talk about how it is celebrated in India. So if I am not wrong, it was started in the year of 1962 on 5th September. We started celebrating it on the birth anniversary of great educationist, our great president, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was a famous educationist, he was a great educationist who had a huge role in making the education policy in our India. So we celebrate this day on his birthday. So Teachers' Day is celebrated on the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Now let's talk about my life. In my life, ever since I started my career, since my childhood actually, I always wanted to become a teacher. I don't know why. It was the only dream job that I had ever cherished in my mind. Honestly speaking, I know nothing but teaching. I think this is the only option that I had, as that's why I have become a teacher. And but now I feel very happy. Maybe this profession does not give me huge amount of money or huge financial support, but it's true that the love, respect, value that I get, all the teachers get from the students, that is incomparable to anything. So I think being a teacher, everybody, all the teachers, I would like to tell them that not only on Teachers' Day, throughout the whole year, I think teachers should be a friend, philosopher and guide. Okay, sometimes we have to punish our students, that is okay, because if they are not doing their homework, if they are not listening to you, so sometimes we have to give them punishment. But if you ask me, personally, I don't believe in the punishment system. Previously it was told that spare the rod and spoil the child, but I don't believe in this concept. I think that if in a class, if the students are not attentive, I think it is not the fault of the student, it is the fault of the teacher, because he could not make the class attractive, or he failed to engage the students into his class. So I think we teachers, we should remain updated, because time is passing and things are changing around us. So I think we should keep updating ourselves, and a teacher should be prepared very well before any class. Even now, I practice every day before any class. I practice myself, then I start the class. It is very important, because I always think that a teacher should keep himself updated. This is the thing. And talking about how I celebrate Teachers' Day with my students, so I will share you some photos, some pictures which is full of emotions, and whenever I see these pictures, I become nostalgic. Even now, this is the morning, 5th September, early in the morning. So from now on, I think that how would I go there and how would I celebrate? But though this year, because of COVID-19, we are not going outside, but still I remember all these precious moments of my life that my students made that moment precious for me, valuable for me. I could never expect that this thing could happen with me, but it really happened, and I am thankful to God. And I have to also talk about, obviously, like my first teachers, or everybody's first teachers, are our parents. So I show my respect and gratitude to them first of all, and after that my teachers, my school teachers, my professors, my tutors who helped us to establish in our life. I would like to respect all of them. I'd like to just touch their feet and try to say that, sir, thank you, because if you are not there, I wouldn't have been here. Whatever they have taught us in our life, it made a huge impact on me, on my thought process, on my mindset. So wherever right now I am, it's only because of you, my first teachers, my school teachers, my professors, my tutors, and I learn from everything. I think if you minutely observe, we learn from each and everything. So in that sense, our life itself is a teacher. Like ever since we born, we start learning things till our death. Okay? So I think our life is a teacher itself, and from everything we can learn, right? Like we can learn from river, we can learn from mountain. Mountain is rock steady. If you think about river, whatever happens, the river flows. The show must go on like that. River flows. Okay. So this thing is very important in our life. I am really thankful to all of my students, and they give me very nice gifts also on this day. And whenever I get some free time, I just look at them, I enjoy, I cherish those moments. So I'd like to show you one or two gifts that are very close to my heart. I will try to show you all these gifts. And I'm saying, if you're a teacher, please give your everything that you acquire, the knowledge to your student. I think that would help them. And I can tell you one story of my life also here. Like when I was in class 8, one of my school teacher, he just came to my class and he was teaching us. So suddenly he just asked me a question and I answered him. And then he said one sentence to me, that Tamal, you are very good in English, and I hope that in future you will be successful if you take English honors or something like that. He said, so you will be very successful in your life. So many years passed, but still now that sentence still there in my heart, in my mind. So what does it prove? It proves that a teacher, if he says something positive to a student, that one sentence can impact the life of a student tremendously. Just believe me, it's true. Because that one line made a huge change. Whatever right now I am here, I started learning English. I started giving my everything, my all effort into English, and I completed my English honors, masters. And each and every time I complete one course, one after another course, and I remember that one sentence of my teacher, which he told me in class 8, that Tamal, you will be very good in English, and if you study with English, you will be successful in your life. So being a teacher, I think we should always motivate our students so that they can feel motivated, they can go forward in their life. So that's it. Okay, if you like my video, please hit the like button. And if you are a teacher or a student, how do you celebrate Teachers Day? Please write in 2 sentences in my comment box. And for upcoming videos, please subscribe my channel and please press the bell notification icon.